What's going on, guys? This was one of those quick and dirty projects. Just on a whim, I got to thinking I should put a hitch on this thing somehow, and I posted about it, and yeah, just got the brainstorming. Pretty quick and dirty. I don't like my flip-up license plate hinge. It's just a little like dollhouse hinge. It looks tacky. Got to find something a little bit better for that, but everything else worked out fantastic. I had this receiver hitch. It's just one of those generic. I had to actually sand it down a little bit to get it to fit into the receiver that we used, and that was a C10 F450 part. That was the only thing I could think of I had that had a receiver on it. That's the same cross member that's on the front and the back of the C10 F450s and the 250s, I believe. Fabbed up some little brackets, bolted it in the same position that this shrink RC roll pan bolts in, and yeah, there we have it. So now it will be a little bit of a challenge to put a bolt through because that's inside the roll pan, but you know, we're not going to do a whole lot of towing with this thing. This is more of a drag truck, but works out pretty well. I don't have a ball on this because like my trailer here is made to just put a screw in partially, and it allows it to articulate a little bit. Pretty much on-road only. I think my car hauler trailer set up the same way. It's got like a rod end, and you just put a bolt through it. So it works. But just one of those little short videos, just something get you thinking. I thought it was pretty cool. I had a bunch of people posting about putting a gooseneck hitch on this, and like, it's a short bed. I can't put a gooseneck on a short bed. Just doesn't jive right. I need to adjust it. That roll pan's sticking out a little bit. No, that'll work. But yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. Just bent some sheet metal, made some brackets, made it all work. But yeah, just get you thinking, guys. Get out there and do something fun with the hobby. Keep it scaling. I'll see you in the next one.